Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do class 9 number system lesson exercise 1.2. See here Baba, first bit. State whether the following statements true or false and justify your answer. See here 3 questions are there in this bit. We will write true or false. Again you have to justify your answer also. See Baba, every irrational number is a real number. See here, you are comparing real number and irrational number is there. See here Baba, real number means what? Real number means, see here, real number, it is a combination of, see here Baba, it is a combination of a rational number and irrational number. Irrational number, rational number, irrational number together is a real number. But he is asking what? Irrational number is a real number. Every irrational number is a real number. See, these two, rational and irrational together is a real. So in real, rational numbers also is there, irrational number also is there. Every irrational number is a real number? True. Every rational number is a real number? True. But reverse. Every real number is a rational number? False. Every real number is a irrational number? False. So these two combination, this is there. This one equal to this one, every irrational number is a real number means it is true. So this first question, what is there? Every irrational number is a real number. Every irrational number is a real number means it is a true. This answer is a true. What is the reason also you can write here? Since collection of real numbers is made up of rational and irrational numbers. Rational, irrational together is a real. But he is asking what? Every irrational number is a real number? It's true. So this two combination is a real. So every irrational number is a real number. This answer is finished. Next, second question. See, every point on the number line. Every point on the number line is of the in form of root m, where m is a natural number. See Baba, number line means what is there? 0 is there, this side positive numbers, this side negative numbers. But in question was what asking? Every point on the number line, all points on the number line in the form of root m, where m is a natural number. Natural numbers means where to start? 1 to start. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that it will start. But here negative numbers also is there. Number line means positive numbers and negative numbers. But he is telling what? Natural numbers. Every point is in the form of root natural numbers is there. But here positive natural numbers means only positive numbers. But here you observe means negative numbers also is there. So it is true? No, it is false. Again you have to think it. Every number is in root form. Root 1, answer is 1. Root 2, it is root form, no problem. Root 3, it is root form. But root 4, answer you will get 2. Like this also, it is false only. Again, negative, natural numbers means only positive numbers. But here, negative numbers also is there. Like that also, it is a false. You write here, root 4 is equal to 2. It is a rational number. Like this also you think and you write. No negative numbers can be in the square root of any natural number. 2 ways you think is. Every number is in root form? No. And the negative numbers also, here only telling natural numbers. But here integers, this is the integers, positive, negative is there. So this number is a false. This way also you think and write. In negative way also you can think and write. Next, third one. Every real number is an irrational number. Every real number is an irrational number. False. Every real number is a rational number. False. Example, real number means rational and irrational mixing is there. So it is a false. So you can write this answer also false. So it is a false. Example, you take 2 is a real number, but it's not a irrational number. So every real number is an irrational number means it is a false. Okay. Now second question. Are the square root of all positive integer irrational? If not, give an example of the square root of a number that is a rational number. See Baba, what is the question is there? Are the square root of positive integers? Where to start? Positive integers. See, positive integers means +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6. These are all the +7, +8, plus 9, these are all the positive integers. He is asking square root of all positive integers. See here, 1 root, 2 root, and 3 root, like this, these all square roots. Every number, 4 root, every number is a irrational number. See here, root 1 value is the 1. It is a rational number. Root 2, irrational number. Root 3, irrational number. But root 4 answer is 2. It is a rational number. Again, root 9 value, it is a 3. These are all the irrational numbers. Root 5, root 6, these are all the irrational number. But no, root 9 is a 3. So these are all the rational numbers. So this answer is true or false? See, every positive integer is a irrational number? No, some are. Root 4 is a rational. Root 9 is a rational. So this is true or false means it is a false. You can write. You can give one example. What is there? Root 4 answer 2. Root 9 answer 3. So this is which numbers? Rational numbers. Okay, third question. See here, root 5 can be represented on number line. This root 5 we can represent on number line. See here, this number line we want means, see here, first we will take here right angle triangle, here 90 degree. See here, this is called base. I will give the names A, B, C. So in this one, BC is the base and AB is the perpendicular and AC is the hypotenuse. So you want root 5 means this base I am taking 2 units. 2 centimeter, 2 units, anyone you take. This is 2 centimeter or 2 units. 2 I am taking, 2 units I am taking. This one, 1 unit I am taking. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem, base, base, perpendicular, hypotenuse. So AC square, Pythagoras theorem, what is that means? First, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. In 8th standard, you learned about Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So this is I am taking 2 units. So this is I am taking 1 unit. So here AC square is equal to AB, how much is there? 1 square plus BC, how much is there? 2 square. So 2 square. So AC square is equal to 1 square means 1. And the next 2 2s are 4. So AC square is equal to 1 plus 4, 5. So you want only AC. AC is equal to 5 square and went after side. After is equal to, it's become a square root. So now this is 2 units. This is 1 unit you are taking means AC you will get 5 units. Like this we will think and we will represent on number line. So this is clear, I think. Pythagoras theorem, B on B right angle triangle. This is the base, perpendicular, hypotenuse. This is 2 units, 1 unit. Like this we simplified means AC is equal to root 5. This one, this root 5 we can represent on number line. See here, we are representing on number line. See Baba, how to do? See here, one line you take it. Any centimeter you take. First you draw one line. I am using pen. Why means you use pencil? For visible video, I will use ear pen, but use pencil. See here. See here. Here I am taking one line. How much also you take it? See here. In this one, here take arrow marks. Taking after. Now see here, 1 centimeter you are taking means it is very difficult. See here, 1 centimeter means only ear to ear. This much means it is very difficult to doing root 5. So I am taking more than 1 centimeter. How much also you take? Little bit more you take it. See here. Now you take rounder. Carefully listen. See here. I am using this much. Okay. See here. Like this. This much you can. How much also you can use it. Now see here. Here you keep 1 dot. Red I will use. See here. Here you keep 1 dot. Now you take here 0. 0 taking after. Take rounder. See Baba. This one. Try to understand. This much I am taking. See here. 0 dot is, this dot is there, no? This dot place you keep rounder. See here. Small one line you do. Here you get 1 unit. Next again same place you keep it. Again take one equal distance. Next again you take 1 more equal distance. 3. Do slowly, you will get correct answer. 3. Next 4, 5, We want only 3 up to 4 also. Okay. Okay. Next, this is last. See, like this equal distance you do. Take like this any measurement and equal distance. One place you keep dot and this place you keep the rounder like this and equal distance. How many possible is that? See, take it. Equal distance 4 or 5 enough. Okay. This equal distance taking after you write the names. See here I am writing name. Here 0 is there. This dot plus I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4 enough. Extra is there, you write it 5, 6, no problem. Okay. Now see here. This is the number line we are taking. We don't want negative, only positive numbers only we want. So we are taking only positive numbers. Now see here, Baba. Down, how many centimeters we are taking? 2 centimeter. And base we are taking 2 units. Perpendicular we are taking 1 unit. See here. 2 units means ear to ear 2 units. Okay. In this place, here you want on perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degree want. See here, 0 to 2. Carefully see, Baba. 0 to 2. Ear to ear we are taking. Now here we want 90 degree. 90 degree you want means see here. Take protractor. See here. Now this dot, this protractor dot, this dot you can adjust it. See here. Now adjusted this line inside this line, this protractor line, this dot, you correct adjust it. See, now adjusted. Like this you adjust it. Adjust after you take 90 degree. See here, where is the here? 90 degrees there. You keep one dot here. See, 90 degree taking after. See, now you join this one here to here, join it. See, Baba, carefully, correct to join it. See, now I am joining this one. See, now here 2 units over. This side you want 1 unit. Again you take rounder. See here 1 unit. Correct measurement is there. This 1 unit. See here 2 plus you keep here. Cut this one. Here 1 unit. Exact 1 unit cut here. See here to here. See here this how much is there? No, same measurement. See here. Same measurement. Here cut this one. Now what to do? Take scale, join this one. See here. This dot, correct you join it. Joining means, see here, Baba. Ear to ear, how many units are there? 0 to 2. 0 to 2, how many units? 2 units. Okay. Next, this dot, we will give the names. A, B, C. I am giving here name A. Here I am giving the B name. Next here I am giving the C name. See here. This is ear to ear. How many units? 2 units. Next, ear to ear. How many units is there? 1 unit is there. Now you want, see here, this is 2 units. So this 1 unit means, see here, this already we did simplification. So AC is equal to how many? What is the measurement? This is the root 5. This is root 5. But this root 5 we want on number line. This root 5, now we did root 5. But this root 5 we want on number line. What to do means root 5 measurement, A to C is the root 5 measurement. Now take rounder. See a measure like this carefully. See here, exact you see here. This is the measurement of root 5. This root 5 you want where on number line. See here, like this you extend it. See here. See, extend means here you will get one dot. A over, B over, C over. Now you can write here this dot D. Here D. See here. Is C to D measurement is there. Now this is the root 5 value. So now you can write here. You have to write here. Here write. This is root 5 on number line. This is the information. Root 5 is the number line. So you are not understood means once again you watch it. Very easy is there. And again any doubt also you comment it and subscribe my channel. Done.